Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start now. Make sure your phone is on a stable Wi-Fi network and at least half charged. Big updates can pause without power. Once done, unlock the device and open settings. Depending on your phone, look for System, About Phone, or Software Update. Tap that option to check for updates. You do this because update checks contact the manufacturer or carrier servers, so a live connection matters. If you see checking, wait. Do not navigate away until results appear. Once the update appears, read the release notes quickly to know what changes. Tap Download and monitor progress. The device verifies the package before installing. You should keep Wi-Fi on and avoid heavy apps that slow the connection. When the download completes, select Install Now or Schedule Restart. Scheduling is useful if you need the phone immediately. The installer will reboot the device and show an installation progress screen. Do not interrupt power. After installation, the phone restarts and optimizes apps. Wait for that to finish. You should verify the Android version under Settings, right arrow About Phone to confirm success. If some apps act oddly, update them from the Play Store and clear caches. This fixes compatibility hiccups. If the update failed or device won't boot, try a simple reboot first, then retry the update. As a last resort, boot to safe mode, or perform a factory reset only after backing up your data, because that restores system stability at the cost.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.